When it comes to that whole buying versus renting debate, there are positives and negatives with them both. Do not let anybody tell you otherwise because they lying, boo. Right now, unfortunately, as homeowners, we are in the midst of a negative repairs. But even with the repairs and all of the frustration and the annoyance that comes with that, if I had to choose between renting and owning again, I would choose home ownership every time. It doesn't matter if you are a homeowner or a renter. Sometimes life's and that unexpected foolery happens. If you're buying, home warranties matter. Make sure your home insurance is with a reputable company. And last, but certainly not least, buy what you know you can afford and not what the bank says you can. That in itself makes a difference when this stuff happens.